I got them all in by 7:30. Even though it's a Sabbath, they had to get out of their crate from their travels last night. So here they are, the new chickens. But I will have to give away one rooster and his wife. That thing there, that white thing, is very heavy. This white one, heavy. She ain't heavy, she's my hen. Okay, that's for those of you who remember the 60s song, He Ain't Heavy, He's My Brother, in case you lost that joke. Got lost on it. The doves are tolerating them well. The hens are not paying any never mind to them because they're very happy with the feed and the water this morning and getting out of that crate. Phyllis Diller there, she did inspect one dove. And my most aggressive dove is the biggest chicken of them all. He's hiding in the bird cage here with Maggie, who I put in the cage, because she only has one wing. So she has a personal suite that opens up into a heating pad and a nest in the cubby hole of the entertainment center. She's in there enjoying the company of Brownie because Brownie's scared of the chickens, of all things. So he's not going to be flying around the other doves today bothering them. He decided to put himself up in the private suite of Maggie. Maggie's happy. She's up on a perch and she's up off the ground for a change. She's going to enjoy that, I think, better. So between those wires, it's hard to make her out. She's kind of beige. Like this pretty hen here. She has feathers on her feet. And she goes with that rooster who crowed 10 times. I was told he was a quiet rooster. It didn't work out that way this morning. He must be happy. I know just who I'm giving them to. But they have to be in here for today. Okay, that's all I have for the Shabbat Shalom today. Greetings. The Lord has blessed me well. She gave me all the feed and all the chickens for $20. And it's a big thing of feed and a big tub. God is so good to me. Okay. Have a blessed day, everyone.